Hey guys, welcome to Mybartender. Today we teach you how to make the Blueberry Mojito. First, add a half cup of blueberries and 6 to 8 mint leaves to your hurricane glass and muddle. Now, side note, you can use a hurricane glass, a rocks glass, or a highball glass for this cocktail. Today we're using a hurricane glass. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite rum. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Next, top with club soda. Next, use your mixing glass to mix the ingredients. Finally, garnish with blueberries, a lime wheel, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the Blueberry Mojito. Cheers.